JCB खेला करना
Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do a demonstration of ESCORT courses. At present they are operating the app series now able to use
tawi bro.
As you can see, these two machines from Swing Stutter, one is SLM 4000 and the other one is SLM 2200, are in the demo presentation area. So all those people who are around, I request you all to kindly come near the demo presentation area, as we have these two machines which are self-loading mixer from Swing Stutter. Talking about the engine of the product, it has a 4-cylinder water-cooled turbocharged after-cooler diesel engine which runs at 80.9 kilowatts at 2500 RPM. Coming to the shovel of the product, it has got a hydraulic cylinders which are activated at 600 liter capacity loading shovel. It has a single joystick control for easy loading and quick unloading shovel gate operations. These machines have got a 4-wheel drive, 4-speed automatic type hydrostatic transmission, electro-hydraulic control for slow and fast speeds and inching operations. So as you can see, the drum is rotating right now, and it is a hydrostatic drum drive with high rotation for homogeneous mix, drum lift and slew for discharge concrete all around the machine on any terrain. So as mentioned, it works extremely well in all terrains and is capable of mixing every sort of homogeneous mix.